Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another episode of Chico's Event. I'm out here back again at Quality Auto Service down here in Vegas. So I'm going to be showing you a little bit of this mechanic service shop. So come on in, guys. Come on, follow me. So this is what they do. Do all major repairs, reliable, fast service, all work guarantees. So pretty much they do air conditioning, belts, hoses, radios, radiators services, fuel injection services, transmission services, fluids. I mean, they do everything right here, man. Just come out here, man, and love and support Paul and Quality Auto Service. So I'm gonna be walking in. And guys, I'm going to introduce you to Paul. This is Paul, guys. Say hi.
Hey, how you guys?
Yeah, so this is Paul, guys, right here at Quality Auto Service. So how long you guys been in business, Paul?
Well, we've been in business for about 27 years. In this location, I've been for about 11 years. And this guy is great. He's doing a good job. I follow his vlogs. Chico, my man.
You. Appreciate that. Thank you. So,
I wish you all the best, man.
I appreciate that. Thank you. So, from what time to what times are you guys open, and what days are you open?
We open 8 to 5, Monday to Saturday, and we do all basic work, brakes, oil changes, tire rotation, tires, all stuff. All the basic stuff we do. And we've been so good. We've been doing great. All my customer loves us. Like we're doing
absolutely.
Job the right way we can do.
Absolutely. Yeah, these are faithful, reliable mechanics. Believe me.
Thank you, Chico.
Ask me, and I'll let you know. Right. So, you're also open Sundays here, or not?
Sunday we close. We only get one day off, so we got one day off. But Monday to Saturday, 8 to 5, we are here.
Okay.
We take care of the business.
Okay. Nice. All right. So, you also have. In case someone gets a flat tire down the freeway, for example, do you also do mobile?
We don't have a mobile service, but sometime when we have a chance, we can go help them out, to change the tire and bring it over here and help them out.
Nice.
Mostly we do it in the shop. So
good. Do you also provide a tow truck? There's some people that also want.
I have a guy who
they're
tows
stuck
trucks.
on the freeway.
Yeah, I have a guy who tow cars for us, and I call him whenever we need his help. So he does a good job. Whenever we need him, he gets it fast. He's very reliable.
Okay, so pretty much if somebody gets stranded up in the freeway and I-15, 93, 95, or anywhere, they'll go pick up their vehicle and you just...
Yeah, they pick up their vehicle, they bring it to the shop, and then we'll do the free diagnostic and see what it needs, and we'll take care of them. Whatever is wrong, we check it, we give them an estimate, and we fix it.
Okay, all right, nice. So what's the fee on the tow trucks? Does it all depend?
Yeah, depending on the how far it is, it starts about I think $60 and up to like $80.
Okay.
If it's local, normally they're like $70 to $80.
So very affordable. Very affordable. And if they break down on the freeway or something, you guys, they'll tow the vehicle up here. You guys will get it fixed up here, right?
Yeah, we do. We tow the cars and then we check it for them, see however we can figure out the problem first, and then let them know whatever it needs, and we take care of it.
So don't stay stranded. Contact Quality Auto Service down Paul. Call them up. I'm telling you guys, you want great service, great business, and honest business, and this guy will go pick you up wherever you're, even if you go to Utah, right, Paul?
We don't go that far, but we do local over here, so yeah.
I mean, so don't stay stranded out here on the freeway. I'm telling you, you don't want to stay stranded out on the freeway. It's too hot, especially when you don't have AC, But a lot of people always wonder, man, what am I gonna do? Who can I contact? So what's the phone number to your Quality Auto Service?
They can call us at 702-382-3340. And we are always here till 8 to 5. If you don't pick up the phone, always leave a message. I always respond back right away.
Awesome. What's the major cross streets here?
We are on 2728 East Charleston. The major street is 28th in Charleston. We are right across from Chase Bank and Lowe's. And it's very easy to find the location because we are right across from Chase Bank.
Okay. Oh, okay, nice, nice. So you guys heard it. You guys heard it from Paul. So come on here, guys. Show your love, support. So thanks for tuning in to Chico's Adventures, guys, down at here at Quality Auto Service. And thanks for tuning in, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, my man. So show the love at Quality Auto Service. Take care, guys.
Have fun.
Have fun. Take care, guys. Peace out.